Hey guys, it's Yuko. Welcome to Yuko's Global Channel. And today I was chatting with Margareta. If the accent was different, please let me know. And I was talking about entrepreneur. Before that, I shared about the entrepreneur things about a book, and would say about few things. If the entrepreneur will born or be, they compare with these two, the answer is B. But as a fact, if you are born in the environment that somebody around you have the business, you are keep watching when you grow up, and sort of the people will be entrepreneur. This is the fact. And start from something small is the best way, I think. And you will see the people who is in big success. It's quite an interesting thing written on the book from the Rolf Doberry. I love his books, and he is telling if the great entrepreneurs is really great and can make the great business again and again and again, in the fact, not actually. Yes, probably he or she has a great talent to grow some business or think of the business, but the biggest success is related with your luck. It was from the data. But as long as I know, in Japan there was a great success, the entrepreneur, and he failed once, and later on he established some the companies, but it's not bound like before. However, he is good at to think of the business and have already some of the skill to make money. So even he bankrupt, still looks rich. Probably he's rich enough. So that is the key of the secret. Oh, something noisy outside. Never mind. So I will put some books that I can recommend. This is written in Japanese in my hand, but there is English version as original. So today is just quick video. And about myself, well, I was born as a second child, and my father had a small company. He was running the lunch delivery service, and my mother also, she had the agency of the insurance. And I have one elder brother. He is running business. So that means I grew up in the environment that everybody is entrepreneur. And now I don't have any corporation in Japan. I just set up one company in Hong Kong, but it's not running. But I still have my entrepreneur mind, and I want to realize the things. That there are the things that I want to do, like, well, the first, I want to write a book to support women's career, because I was the person who broke the glass ceiling. I was a fighter, I was a negotiator, and probably I know how to deal with the things. So I thought I need to write this for somebody who is in struggle. And also I want to be a global the consultant, global business consultant, because I got the sort of the knowledge and the experience in Hong Kong, the Southeast Asia, and also had recruitment in US, UK. Also joined the international conference, blah blah. So I should pack it, and it's time to use it. Also, I have a lot of ideas, and for just the fun, I want to learn the whiskeylovers.net without E. Although I just bought the domain and set the basic one only, but well, it's just for fun, and you can check it. You cannot see anything yet, just writing that this is for the whiskey lovers. I wanted by the wine domain, but it's already sold out, so I just shift to okay, another thing, something luxury. So the idea began as whiskey, because I just came back from UK and I went to the whiskey brewer to see, and it was first time for me, the north side of this England, mean it's not England, Scotland. So, and I also want to try to start an online learning course from these ideas and experience and skills, and like this video. So hopefully this is helping somebody to realize your life. And again, today I wanted to share with you guys the 2 points. Was entrepreneur is be or born. It's be. Its answer is be. So you will be the entrepreneur. And if the entrepreneur can always being great or not, and according to this, it's up to the luck, but we can start from small. Even the second business should be great. Okay, and I must go to see my friend, so see you later. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. Bye bye. See you later.